Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this ICP update today. So ICP is in a very important retest at the moment, I think, and right now you did actually break above this area that we talked about before, and it was a very clear breakout to me. You can see that you had your resistance here, you failed to break there, you failed to break here, you failed to break there as well, and then all of a sudden you pump up, you're coming down, and this is your basically retest box. Okay, so all of this actually is your retest box. We don't see probably ICP coming again to 12.6, because if you go down to 12.6, that's going to be just a failure of the whole pattern itself. I think the retest actually fails. So you can actually start to get back up again, because here you are making multiple retests at the moment. So if you notice, there is the hammer with the retest number 1, and then you came down again, and then you have a bullish harami here. So you're pretty much making some few good successful retests. Now if you do go back down again, that's going to be weird. That's going just to be pretty unfair for so many people. By the way, on the Discord, I'm actually giving 15 USDT and a 1-month private entry. To participate, drop a heart to this post. All you do is click on the top right of the video to get into Discord and go to giveaway booth. Click giveaway booth, drop a heart. That's all, right? Nothing. It doesn't cost a dime, but you can actually get an opportunity to win 15 USDT and go have something. I don't know, eat a burger, eat a pizza, I don't know. Now the thing is, I kind of still am positive about ICP, because ICP actually made a very clear statement that it's more interested to get back up to 16.335 and eventually move all the way up to 18.87. So we still have to see how that plays out, at least in the next coming few days. Wednesdays are good in crypto, Thursdays are good in crypto, and Fridays are also good in crypto. It's the weekend that can actually be bad. So I'm still kind of positive, considering how historically Wednesday, Thursdays and Fridays are actually good. Even Tuesdays are pretty good as well. So let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.